Hello everyone, this is lesson number 8, HSK2, and let's continue to learn. The first one for today is 还是, but let's repeat words. First, 饮料, beverage or drink, 饮料. Next one is 花茶, sandhi or flower tea. 绿茶, green tea. 水果, fruit. 衬衫, it's shirt or blues. 裤子, it's trousers or pants. So the next one for today is 还是. It's all, but only in questions. We have all for 活着, for simple. For example, do you want this one or this one? We need to use 还是. But if you want to say we have this or this, you need to say another one. So you need to say 活着. But in question you need to say 还是. Let's see. Do you drink green tea or sandhi tea? So if you see this question, we need to use 还是. 你喝绿茶还是花茶？你喝 you drink 绿茶 green tea 还是 or 花茶 sandhi tea. So 你喝绿茶还是花茶？ Do you drink green tea or you drink flower tea? Next one, go mountain climbing or traveling. This few new words was 去爬山还是旅游 to go to 爬山 it's a mountain, but 爬 so 去爬山 to go to 爬 it's to climb, and 山 it's a mountain. So mountain climbing, it's 爬山. It could be climbing or just hiking. So you don't need to use. It's not alpinism. 去爬山还是 or 旅游 it's traveling. So 去爬山还是旅游. Next one, shirt or pants. 衬衫还是裤子 it's a pants. So 衬衫 shirt blues 还是裤子 or pants. 衬衫还是裤子. Next word is 爬山 to climb a mountain. As you can see, in a word we have on the left part, it's a claw for that. For example, every animal has a claw, right? It's not nails, but big nails, you can see. And shan, it's mountain. I like climbing mountains. 我喜欢爬山. I like 我喜欢爬山 it's climbing. So 我喜欢爬山. Next one is you need to be careful when climbing mountains. 爬山要小心. 爬山 go to climbing. 要 you need to be. 小心 small heart or careful. 小心 For example, you can say 小心一下 when you run and you can accidentally kick someone. So you can say 小心爬山要小心. So you can say climbing mountains 要 it's like you need to be careful when climbing. But in Chinese, just 爬山 require to be careful, require carefulness. 爬山要小心. Next one is he goes mountain climbing with me. 他跟我去爬山. 他跟我 he with me 跟我 with me to go to 爬山 climbing. So as you can see, it could be noun, it could be verb. 他跟我去爬山 Next one is 小心 careful, to be careful, to take care. Be careful when it rains. 下雨要小心 下雨 when it rains. So rains 要 require 小心 to be careful. 下雨要小心 be careful when it rains. Next one, be careful when climbing mountains. 爬山时 when 要小心. So 爬山时 at the time of, so you can say 爬山的时候, or you can say 爬山时 when you're climbing, at the time you're climbing, 要小心, you need to be more careful. 爬山时要小心 be careful. Next one, he carefully takes the scented tea. 他小心拿花茶 is flower tea, scented tea. As you can see, 他小心拿. Here is 小心, it's adverb because 拿 is to take something, but carefully takes. You can say 他小心拿 He carefully take 花茶 scented tea. Next one is 条 strip. It's a measure word used for long and thin things. Let's see which one. For example, I bought 2 pairs of pants. So pants, it's long object, thin object. So we can use 条. Of course, we can use 2个裤子, but it's better to say 2条裤子. 我买了 I bought 2条裤子 2 it's a pair or 2 条 it's measure word and 裤子 it's a pants. So 我买了2条裤子 I bought 2 pants, pair of pants. Next one, one shirt is very expensive. 一条衬衫很贵一条衬衫 or 一个衬衫一条 one piece of shirt or 一条衬衫很贵 very expensive 很贵. Next one, he wears a pair of green pants. 他穿一条绿裤子 So 穿 is wear something. 他穿一条 one piece of. Or in English you need to say pair of something. But in Chinese we have different measure words for pairs, for pair objects. 他穿一条绿裤子 green pants 绿裤子绿他穿一条绿裤子 He wears a pair of green pants. Next word is very important. It's 记得 to remember something. 记得 Let's see. I remember to bring an umbrella. 我记得带伞。我记得 I remember 带 to bring something. 伞 this umbrella. So 我记得 I remember 带伞 to take an umbrella. Bring an umbrella. 我记得带伞。Next one. He remembers to buy fruit. 他记得买水果。他记得 he remembers to buy 买水果。水果 it's a fruit. So he remembers 他记得买水果 to buy a fruit. 他记得买水果。Next one. Do you remember me? 你记得我吗？你记得我吗？ You remember me? 你记得我吗 for questions, for particle questions. 你记得我吗？你记得我吗？ Do you remember me? Next one is yuan. As you can see, it's just yuan. It's just Chinese currency. Like US dollar. Or euro. Yuan. Let's see. The short is 50 yuan. 陈山50 yuan. Sometimes Chinese people say yuan, sometimes yuan. 5元. I think it depends on the accent, but it's better to say yuan. 陈山50 yuan. So the short in English we need to say is, but in Chinese just 陈山50 yuan. 5, 10, and yuan. So 50 yuan. 陈山50 yuan. The short is 50 yuan. Next one. 10 yuan for fruit is very cheap. 水果10元很便宜。水果 fruit 10元10元。很 is very 便宜 is cheap. So 很便宜 is very cheap. 水果10元很便宜。As you can see in English, 10 yuan for fruit, but in Chinese just fruit 10 yuan is very cheap. Next one, I have 20 yuan. 我有20元。I have 20元。20 yuan. So 我有20元。I have 20 yuan. And last word for today is 新鲜 it's a fresh. 新 it's a new. 鲜 it's a fresh. So together it's fresh. The fruit is very fresh. 水果很新鲜。水果 the fruit is very fresh. So 水果很新鲜 is very fresh. The next one, the green tea is very fresh. 绿茶很新鲜。绿茶 green tea 很 is very 新鲜 fresh. So 绿茶很新鲜 is very fresh. The green tea is very fresh. And last one, I like fresh flowers. 我喜欢新鲜花。我喜欢 I like 新鲜 the fresh, and 花 it's flowers. So 我喜欢新鲜花。I like fresh flowers. And let's repeat from this lesson what we learned. 还是 It's all but in questions. 还是 Next one. 爬山 to climb a mountain. 小心 hiking. 小心 careful, to be careful. To take care of someone. To take care, I think, about yourself, not someone. 条 strip, measure word for long objects. 骑的 to remember. 我不骑的 I don't remember. 圆 is 圆 And last one, 新鲜 fresh. For example, fruit or fish, something like that. And one idiom for today. On the last lesson we learned 一点 little by little. Today we learn 不三不四 not free, not for. So not free for. Improper. Neither here or there. Let's see. He speaks improperly and I don't like it. 他说话不三不四我不喜欢 So you can trust him because he said not so, I think, not very dubious character. So 他说话不三不四 So he speaks improperly. You can say very dark person, very dubious person, not so trustworthy, or sometimes he just no meaningful in his words. So he not sure about anything, or not fish, not meat. I think something like that. Neither here nor there. You can. He speaks very about nothing. So I think something like that. 不三不四 is a very good one. Very easy to learn. So this is all for today, and see you next lesson.